What's going on, y'all? Daniel here, and in this video we're going to be doing a day in the life. What's going on, guys? So it's roughly 9 a.m. right now, and I haven't hopped on the charts yet because I'm currently in Germany, and the time zone I'm in is roughly 6 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time, which is what I'm used to back in the US. So I still want to be trading in roughly the same time, roughly the same session that I would have been trading had I been back home, right? So I'm not gonna really hop on the charts until around noon or so. So that'll be around 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So a little background as to why I'm even in Germany. I am pursuing a professional soccer career, and with that, I'm traveling to all these different places. I was in Spain in the fall, and now in the winter and the spring, I'll be here in Germany, trying to sign a contract with a team here. But I say all that to say, I trade so that it allows me to have the option to pursue this career, right? Because especially at the level that I will be playing at, I'm not going to be playing for the super high teams in the world, right? I'm not going to be playing for Real Madrid, Barcelona, Manchester United, and I'm completely fine with that. But my love of the game, I still want to play at the highest level that I could possibly play at. And even if it's a lower level, I know that I'm probably not going to be making a lot of money. I'm not going to be making millions of dollars. I'm not going to be making, high six figures playing soccer. And because of that, I've developed a skill where I can make money online from wherever I am, So that's really why I even started trading in the first place, because I really wanted a stream of income that could supplement my lifestyle in pursuing what I wanted to pursue, right? So yeah, that's really about it. But yeah, so let's go make some breakfast. All right, guys, it is about 11 a.m. now. I ate breakfast and played a little bit of Ghost of Tsushima on the PS4. But now that there's about 50-ish minutes before I want to really be on the charts, I'm going to do some meditation and then start my pre-market routine. So let's get into it. What's going on, guys? So I've been on the charts for about an hour now. Not really seeing anything playing out. Not really seeing any good setups at the moment. So yeah, TBD if we're gonna be taking a trade. All right, guys. So I actually ended up finding a trade on AUD yen on the 1 minute chart. As you can see, there was some divergence formed here before price moved higher. Came back to the exact same area where price moved from before, right? So if I go back out to the 15 minute, right? The only knock really against this trade is the fact that it's not moving from the 50 EMA. It's kind of moving in between these two EMAs, but is what it is. That's why I put a little bit less risk on, because it wasn't a perfect setup. But yeah, so price moved divergently back to the same area that it moved from before, and the original divergence was still valid. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Here we are in the live trading room on our Discord. What's going on, you guys? So it's about 2:30 at the moment. At around 2, I was gonna go make myself some lunch, but I realized that I was actually out of food, so I just had to make a quick trip to the grocery store, which is like a 10-minute walk. Not too bad, but I'm on my way back right now. And yeah, I kind of just wanted to make a quick point that after I take a trade, right? You guys just saw that I entered a trade on AUD JPY. I like to get myself away from the charts, whether that be playing video games, taking a walk, taking a nap, doing work on something else, you know, and getting away from the charts. I don't want to just sit in front of the charts the entire time and obsess about whether my trade is right, whether my trade is gonna win, lose, whether I was right, wrong. It saves my mentality a lot by just putting on the trade and going to go do something else, right? So I'll definitely keep you guys updated, check in periodically on how my trade is doing, but that's about it. All right, so as you can see, this trade executed beautifully. I entered right down here and my take profit was all the way up here, right? I definitely could have scaled in somewhere down here, right? Or even up here, I could have scaled in, but you know, I'm not gonna be mad at it. I made my profit, take my money and get out. What's up, guys? So this is actually the next morning since I've last seen you. So after I took that trade yesterday, I logged off the charts for the day. I took a nap, did some work for some other projects that I'm involved in, and then I went to training, came back, made some dinner, and then really hung out before I went to bed. So yeah, this is really a typical day in my life while I'm here in Germany. I'm glad you guys can stick around with me for a day. So leave a like on the video if you did, dislike it if you didn't. Comment down below. We read all the comments, so all one of them. So we would greatly appreciate it, and it would help out the channel a lot. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one.